Welcome to GH Maths YouTube. Question is, the probability of these mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive events A, B, C are given as P of A is equal to 2 by 3, P of B is equal to 1 by 4, P of C is equal to K. Then K is equal to what? Option A 12 by 13, option B 1 by 12, option C 11 by 12, option D 1 by 13. We know that mutually exclusive ಅಂದರೆ E1 intersection E2 is equal to empty. There is no common elements of the events E1 and E2. Mutually exhaustive ಇದು mutually exclusive. Mutually exhaustive ಅಂದರೆ E1 event union E2 union E3 so on En is equal to S. If the events are mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive ಅಂದರೆ probability of their events is always equal to 1. P of E1 plus P of E2 plus P of E3 so on plus P of N is equal to 1. We are given mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive events of ABC ಅಂದಾಗ P of A plus P of B plus P of C ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ABC ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು E1 E2 E3 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮನ್ನು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತೊಗೊಬೋದು, ABC ಅಥವಾ XYZ E1 E2 E3. ಓಕೆ, ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ B ಆರ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ E1 A intersection B is equal to phi ಅಂದರೆ A and B are mutually exclusive. A union B union C union suppose here D union ಇಲ್ಲಿ E1 E2 E3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸೆಟ್ ನೇಮನ್ನು ABCD FN is equal to S is equal to given P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1 because events are mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive events. Condition ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. P of A is given. P of A is 2 by 3 plus P of B is given 1 by 4. P of C is given K is equal to 1. LCM 3 into 4 are different. 12 upon 8 plus 3 plus K is equal to 1. 8 plus 3 11 by 12 plus K is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 minus right side already 1 ಇದೆ 11 by 12. K is equal to 12 into 11 by 12. 12 into 1 12 minus 11 by 12. K is equal to 12 minus 11 is nothing but 1 by 12. K is equal to 1 by 12 is the answer. K is equal to 1 by 12. In options, A is equal to 12 by 13, B is equal to 1 by 12. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. K is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, thank you.